Good morning students, welcome to class 5 mathematics. Today we are going to solve some problems of chapter 14, how big, how heavy. So last day we have discussed the formula of volume of cube and volume of cuboid. So what is the formula? Volume of cube, side into side into side, cubic unit, and volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height, cubic unit. So today, first problem, find the volume of cube whose length of side is A, 2 holes are 2 by 3 centimeter, B 7 by 9 meter. So number A, side equals to 2 holes are 2 by 3 centimeter, which is equals to 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 centimeter. Therefore, volume of cube equals to side into side into side, cubic centimeter. So what is the result? 8 8s are 64, 64 into 8, 512 by 27 cubic centimeter. Now divide it, 512. So 27 ones are 27, 4 2 4 2. Now by 8 you will get 2 1 6. So remainder is 26. So what is the volume? Volume is 18 holes are 26 by 27 cubic centimeter. Volume is 18 holes are 26 by 27 cubic centimeter. Now to the next one. Number B. Here length of side is 7 by 9 meter. So what is the volume? Equals to 7 by 9 into 7 by 9 into 7 by 9 cubic centimeter. So this is equals to 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343 divided by 9 into 9 into 9, that is 729 cubic centimeter. So find the volume of cube whose length of side is A, 2 holes are 2 by 3 centimeter, B 7 by 9 meter. Oh, second one is meter. So here cubic meter and cubic meter. So side equals to 2 holes are 2 by 3 centimeter, that is 8 by 3 centimeter. So volume of cube, that is 8 by 3 into 8 by 3 into 8 by 3 cubic centimeter. That is 512 by 27 cubic centimeter. And by dividing we get 18 holes are 26 by 27 cubic centimeter. And number B, the side length of side is 7 by 9 meter. So volume is 7 by 9 into 7 by 9 into 7 by 9 cubic meter. That is 343 by 729 cubic meter. Now we'll go to the Second problem. Let us discuss another problem, number 2. Find the volume of a cuboid whose length 5 whole 1/3 centimeter, breadth 2 holes 1/2 centimeter, and height 1 holes 1/5 centimeter. So, how can we solve it? Here, the volume, we have to find the volume of a cuboid. That is, the formula is length into breadth into height. So, volume of cuboid equals to length, that is 5 holes 1/3 into breadth, all are in centimeter. 2 holes 1/2 into 1 holes 1/5 cubic centimeter, which is equals to 16/3 into 5/2 into 6/5 cubic centimeter. Now cancel this 2, 6, 3, 3 out, 5 out. So answer is 16 cubic centimeter. Answer is 16 cubic centimeter. So find the volume of a cuboid whose length 5 holes 1/3 centimeter, breadth 2 holes 1/2 centimeter, and height 1 holes 1/5 centimeter. So volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height, cubic centimeter. So by calculation we get 16 cubic centimeter. Next, question number 3. Find the volume of a cube whose volume is 3 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Find the volume of a cube whose volume is 3 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So just notice here carefully dimension. What is dimensions? As we know, the cube is a 3-dimensional figure. It has a length, it has a breadth, it has a height. So its dimension is 3 dimensions. 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter means 15 centimeter is the length, 12 centimeter is the breadth, 10 centimeter is the height. First one is length, next one is breadth, third one is height. So question is, find the volume of a cube whose volume is 3 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 15 centimeter into 12 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So first find the volume of cuboid. So volume of cuboid equals to 15 into 12 into 10 cubic centimeter, which is equals to 15 into 12, 180 into 10, 1800 cubic centimeter. Therefore, volume of cube equals to 3 times of volume of cuboid. So 3 into 1800 cubic centimeter, that is 5400 cubic centimeter. So volume of cube 3 times of volume of cuboid, that is 3 into 1800 cubic centimeter, that is 5400 cubic centimeter. Now the next one, number 4. Find the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 10 centimeter into 8 by 3 centimeter into 6 by 5 centimeter. So, as previous, their dimensions are given, that is first one is length, second one is breadth, third one is height. So, the volume of cuboid equals to 10 into 8 by 3 into 6 by 5 cubic centimeter. So this is equals to 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. So 8 to the 16 into 2, 32 cubic centimeter. 32 cubic centimeter. Now do some homework. Number 1. Find the volume of a cube whose measure of each side A 9 centimeter, B 4 by 7 centimeter, C 5 by 9 centimeter, D 3 by 10 meter. Number 2. Find the volume of a cuboid whose dimensions are number A 9 centimeter into 4 centimeter into 2 centimeter, number B 14 by 3 meter into 9 by 7 meter into 1 by 3 meter. Number 3. Find the volume of cuboid whose length 20 centimeter, breadth 15 by 2 centimeter and height 7 by 2 centimeter. Number 4. Find the volume of a cube whose volume is 4 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 1 centimeter. Next, number 5. Find the volume of a cube whose volume is 3 times the volume of a cuboid of dimensions 9 by 2 centimeter into 5 by 2 centimeter into 4 centimeter. Number 6. Whose volume is greater? A cube whose side is 5 centimeter or a cuboid of dimensions 8 centimeter into 3 centimeter into 5 centimeter. Number 7. Find the volume of a cuboid whose volume is 5 times the volume of a cube of side 3 meter. So do this homework in your classwork copy. Thank you.